box. Similar to something like what your snapper box comes in where you display them, these come in a display also.
Whoa.
That was number 9, Lightning Missile.
Lightning Missile.
We're now going to shoot number 10, Strike Missile. Number 10, Strike Missile. Okay, that was number 10.